Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make the perfect purchase. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated jewelry kits for young creators, the ELLENER Charm Jewelry Making Kit. If you're looking for a creative and fun gift for girls aged 8 to 12, this could be the perfect choice. With a range of charming beads and accessories, this kit offers an exciting experience for young girls to explore their artistic side and create beautiful jewelry pieces. First up, let's talk about the value this kit provides. For just $25.99, you get a colorful selection of 30 charm beads, 22 charm pendants, 16 metal beads, and 3 snake chain bracelets, plus 3 necklace strings in pink, blue, and black. That's enough to make multiple bracelets and necklaces in a variety of styles. The kit also includes a beautiful pink jewelry box, a user manual with design ideas and instructions, and a pink gift box that makes it super easy to gift. The best part? This kit is simple to use. No tools, no glue, and no mess involved. The bracelets come with a screw-on clasp that's easy to attach and adjust, meaning even beginners can jump right in and start creating without any frustration. This design is perfect for young hands and helps build fine motor skills and patience as they get to work. The length of the bracelet is adjustable from 5.7 to 8.7 inches, making it a fit for any girl. Beyond the fun of making the jewelry, there's a deeper value. Each bracelet becomes a unique keepsake. As the girl adds new charms over time, the bracelet will hold special memories and moments, making it something to cherish as she grows. It's not just about creating something cute, it's about expressing individuality and celebrating creativity. Whether it's a birthday gift, a holiday present, or just a way to spark creativity, the ELLENER Charm Jewelry Making Kit provides a world of fun and joy. It's the kind of gift that not only delights but also fosters imagination and artistic skills. So, if you want to give a gift that keeps on giving, consider this fantastic jewelry making set for girls aged 8 to 12. It's a fun, memorable, and rewarding experience that will be loved for years to come. Thanks for tuning in to this review of the ELLENER Charm Jewelry Making Kit. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to grab your own kit today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome product reviews. See you in the next video.